Come back. Nifty and Bank Nifty expiry. Tomorrow's trading levels and strategy. See, today Bank Nifty Nifty futures and this is in Nifty index. Index closed at 25,236. And tomorrow, if it trades about 25,258, then only up move expected. If there is a gap up, sustains above open price. Suppose it opens around 25,274 and above 274 only these levels will apply. When it is coming down to retest these levels, the upside movement happens from 25,258 only. Okay. So if above 258, then 282 and 307. Above 25,307, then huge targets ahead. But tomorrow it may happen or not, depends. But today there was only half the volume compared to previous day. And below these levels, trades below 2527, 227, 208, 195, 183, 158. There were multiple supports and multiple resistance up to today's low. That is 25,134. Suppose if 134, 126 breaking, there is a huge gap to fill. Very careful. Okay. Trade in 2 minutes chart options and beware of premium decay. Then come back to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, yesterday's levels will, today's level, that is Wednesday's level will continue. This is Bank Nifty futures chart. Above 56,670 only buying expected. A close above this level, then 763,870, 56,995 and 57,149. And these are the levels to watch. And below this level, trades below 56,256, then 356, and there is a huge gap here, 200 points down, 56,105. And that's all for the day. And depending upon the gap up and gap down, all these levels will work. Do trade only on those which trades above open price. Suppose if put option and call option trading below open price, don't trade. Take reversal trade only after 1:30 or 12:30. Don't take any position in the morning till 12:30. If both put and calls are trading below open price. That is a strategy to be followed tomorrow. If you are an index option buyer or seller. Trading below open price, don't take any long position. Take long position, you can take zero trade or anything like that only after 1:30, 12:30 to 1:30 time. Otherwise 2:30. If up to 2:30, 3 o'clock, the market is on a downward bias, then after 2:30, we can see an up move in the market. If morning session gives us an up move, then the afternoon it may come down. Okay, that's all for the day. Thank you.